Good morning, students. Welcome to Chemistry Online Classes. We have just started the topic fossil fuels. Now, you know about fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are formed from dead remains of living organism. It requires many years. So, we are very careful about the usage of fossil fuels like petroleum, natural gas, etc. By our overconsumption, it will exhaust from nature. Today, you will learn about one of the fossil fuel called coal. Have you ever seen coal or heard about coal? Okay. In this session, you can study in detail about coal.
Story of coal. Coal is an exhaustible natural resource and it is formed from fossil. As you see in the figure, coal is black in color and hard as stone. Next we can discuss its uses. Coal was used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. Coal is also used as a fuel to cook food. Coal is used to produce electricity in thermal plants. Coal is used as a fuel in various industries. Now discuss characteristics and uses of coal. Next, let us go through the story of coal, how it is, where the coal is formed. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. Due to natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Under high temperature and high pressure, dead plants got slowly converted to coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. It's very important. Carbonization means the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal. It was formed from the remains of vegetation. Coal is also called fossil fuel. When coal is processed in industry under suitable condition, we get some useful product like coke, coal gas and coal tar. When coal is heated in air, coal burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. While heating in the absence of air, it produces three useful products: coke, coal tar and coal gas. First one, coke. Coke is almost pure form of carbon. Children, you can see in the figure, coke is black, tough and porous substance. Next, uses of coke. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel. Also used in the extraction of many metals. Next about coal tar. It is a black thick liquid with unpleasant smell. Uses of coal tar. It is used in the manufacturing of many products like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosive, perfume, plastics, paints, photographic materials, roofing materials, and naphthalene boards. So, coal tar is used in the manufacturing of many products. Next, bitumen. Nowadays, a petroleum product called bitumen is used in place of coal tar for metaling the roads. It's very important, please note down. Bitumen is used for metaling roads. Last one, coal gas. Coal gas is a mixture of many gases, but it mainly contains hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. So, coal gas mainly contains hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Coal gas is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants.
Let me wind up today's class. Here we discuss about mainly coal. Characteristics of coal, its uses, and the product formed from coal while heating or processing in industries. When we processing coal in industries, we get three useful products: coke, coal tar, and coal gas. All three products are very useful. Hope all you have understood about this topic. So that's all for today. As usual, I have attached notes, test paper. It's compulsory to attend the test paper. I have attached URL. Please go through it. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.